Replacing a damaged side panel. If a zipper, buckle, or the U-shaped panel is damaged, or if the panel is torn, it must be replaced. To replace a panel, follow these steps. First, unbuckle the access zipper. Next, along the top of the bed, lift up on the horizontal flap to release the hook and loop tabs. Completely unzip the zipper that runs along the top of the bed. Do the same with the vertical zipper on one end of the U-shaped panel, first releasing the hook and loop flap, and then completely unzipping the zipper. Locate the hook and loop flap on the bottom of the bed panel and completely unzip the bottom horizontal zipper. Finally, locate the hook and loop flap and unzip this last vertical zipper. You may now remove the damaged U-shaped panel. To install a new panel, simply orient the panel correctly and then reverse the process, zipping each zipper completely and covering with the hook and loop flaps. There are two perimeter guards, one on each side, which act as soft side rails to reduce the risk of a patient fall. When a U-shaped side access panel is open and the patient is in the bed, the perimeter guard on the open side should be fully zipped and secured with its quick-release buckles. Both perimeter guards must be unzipped and in the down position when the canopy is closed. In an emergency, you must be able to access the patient quickly. There is a locking caster on each of the four corners of the Posey bed. To lock a caster, use your foot to press down on the metal clip until each caster locks in the up position. To unlock the caster, push up on the metal clip until it releases. The bed has transfer brakes, which descend to the floor when the bed is in its lowest position. Together, the transfer brakes and locking casters help stabilize the bed to reduce the risk of unwanted bed movement during transfers and when the patient is unattended. Although the nylon surface of the mattress compartment is skin-friendly, sheets or an incontinence pad may be needed for added patient comfort or skin protection. If sheets are called for by the physician's orders or the care plan, you can use a Posey bed support surface inside the canopy to secure the sheets and provide added padding for comfort. Also, to protect the patient and the bedding from urine spills, you can use a Posey incontinence pad. Contact your Posey authorized bed dealer or Posey Technical Services for information about these accessories. The Posey bed has two tube ports, one on each side at the foot of the canopy, and two drainage ports, one near the middle of each side panel. These are used to run IV lines, drainage tubes, or other monitoring lines. When not in use, each port must be securely zipped closed. There is a storage pocket at the foot of the bed to keep all instructions, including this video, for easy access by caregivers. Included with the 8070 is a Quick Check 10 list to assist you with proper bed use and patient safety. Never modify the Posey bed for any reason. Never add head or footboards or side rails to the bed. Doing so will increase the risk of entrapment or injury to the patient from contact with side rails or head or footboards.